brother-owned name in the office equipment industry, and its DSMobile business card scanner is one of the best on the market. This card scanner has most of the advanced features in the industry in addition to being one of the few products on my business card scanner review that has wireless capabilities. This makes the DSMobile a great choice for a business card reader and winner. The DSMobile business card scanner has all of the essential features that should be found on a good scanner, including duplexing, or the ability to scan both the front and back sides of each business card, and auto-populating text fields with contact information extracted from the card. Scanned images include most details from the business card, including specialty details such as foil links and dark backgrounds. The accompanying software is easy to install and gives you an online contact program to help you keep all the information in one place. Scanned images and extracted text can be saved and shared with other programs, including CRM solutions, Microsoft Word and Excel, and email programs such as Outlook and Gmail. The only applications this card reader doesn't connect to are social media sites, such as Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. The DSMobile card scanner is big enough to scan full-size documents in addition to business cards. You can even scan more than one business card at a time. This device was able to scan 7 individual business cards in a minute when I tested it. This isn't the fastest business card scanner, but it is about average. It only recognizes one language, English. This means while you can scan and save documents in other languages, this scanner will not be able to translate text into English like some other scanners on my review can. This scanner is compatible with both PC and Mac computers and mobile devices. Because it has wireless connections option, you can easily take it with you and set it up to quickly scan cards without having to mess with a bulky cord. Each business card is scanned in full color with most defining lines and finishes captured in detail. Business cards printed on thick materials are easily scanned with the DSMobile business card readers. This includes those printed on thick cardstock, plastic, wood, and cork. The best support features are included with your Brother DSMobile scanner. These include both telephone and email support. I received quick answers to my email inquiries from support personnel that ensured each of my questions were accurately answered. Both a digital copy of the user guide and a FAQ section are easily located on the Brother website for easy reference. I found several answers to questions using both. The DSMobile business card scanner comes with an industry-standard 1-year warranty. Scanner specifications. The DSMobile is a great, portable business card scanner that is easy to take along and set up anywhere since it has a wireless connection option. Each card, or full-size document, is scanned in full color with enough detail that even cards with specialty designs and finishes, such as UV spotting or foil ink, can still be easily read. Contact information is automatically taken from the digital images and entered into text fields to create a permanent contact, which can be saved or shared. The Brother DSMobile connects to your email, Microsoft Office applications and CRM solutions, making it even more versatile.